guys, it's Stephanie here. Welcome to the Flower Fanatic. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple evergreen wreath for my front door. It's near Christmas time, so it's the right time to do it. I'm going to dedicate this wreath to a man named Robert Waite. He was an expert evergreen florist in our community and he passed away recently. So this is for him. I have a few cranberry clusters here that I put together with some redwood dogwood twigs, and I really want a little bit of red pop color in this wreath, and so that will be fun. I'll do that at the end. It's simple. I've already had it started for you so you can kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. This is Ponderosa Pine, and it has pine cones that are already stuck to it, so that's really fun. So I get some wire. You can get some crafting wire. I actually got this at my local Ace hardware store, and you just start at the base with a basic wire wreath that I got at Walmart. And you want to start by tying the wire to the corners that meet so it doesn't slide. So it's really simple. And then I just crisscross two different pieces as I go along. So I'll just do that as I go around. And the only tricky part, which is not very tricky anyway, is you just have to lift at the end and snug it in underneath as you finish. Follow along with me as we finish building this wreath together. So I'm just going to kind of throw this wire between. I'm just going to wrap this wire. It's a pretty discreet wire as I put it around the base of this wire wreath. I'm going to go in between each pine cone so it kind of has a base to hold on to. I'm just using this wire and I'm wrapping around, creating a path between these needles. And then I'm just going to make sure as I wrap around, I do it really tight around the base a few times. Open that right there. Then it gives it a nice support system. There we go. And I'm just taking two pieces and staggering to give it that nice fluffy look that you're going for. It's really simple. It just takes a little time because you don't want to rush the process. There really is no rush. It's supposed to be enjoyable. Okay. I do have a few pine cones in here that I rip off in case it's too difficult to get it around, but so far it's been okay. So I just cross that way, and this is a nice fluffy one. Okay, now I'm at the end. I'm just gonna grab another piece. I want one with a nice pine cone, and I'm gonna gently lift them underneath. Just as you would the other way. And I'm gonna have to lift a little bit more bundles here because I'm overlapping, but I'll do the same thing. Honestly, I can kind of just do whatever I want with the wire at this point because you're not going to see it. So I'm just going to go crazy. I'm just going to wrap it a few times. Then I'll do one more to crisscross it. You gotta give yourself some room to tie it. So a little longer because you can always trim it at the end after you're done tying. We'll just flip it over, and then I'm gonna wrap it around one of these edges of this wire wreath base, and then just kind of tie it like you would a knot. Okay, the evergreen portion is done. Now I'm gonna put in my cranberries that are on my dogwood sticks that I showed you earlier. It's gonna be really pretty and add that red that I need. I'm just gonna kind of stick them in. I'm just gonna give you a little idea. I'm not sticking them in quite yet. Just wanna show you what they look like. So I'll just go around and add that little pop of red. It's gonna be so fun. I think they're so fun that they're got a little snow frost tip look to them for winter time and for Christmas. Okay, so there you go. And that's all it is. I have bundled some wire around these cranberry sticks, and all I'm gonna do is just stick this wire through and tie it around the base. Okay guys, I got my cranberries put in. I got it hung up. I used my natural twine. I hope you liked this video. I hope you can go make your own. If you liked it, give me a subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.